Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so we will continue yesterday's topics. And I have given one question to you. I have drawn the figure also. Let us prove that. Okay. I'll write the question and draw the figure. By the time, let the others also come. Okay, children. And the question was, prove that. Prove. Is it question number 2? Is it the question number 2, children? I think so. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Prove that the quadrilateral formed by the quadrilateral formed by the internal angle bisectors. Internal angle bisectors of any quadrilateral is cyclic. Okay, children, there is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means you don't do any parallelogram or square rectangle like that. All the sides are different, children. So simple quadrilateral ABCD. And we are drawing the internal bisectors. Did you draw the figure, children?
Class here.
Oh, yes. Internal bisector. Name of that internal bisector and one small quadrilateral, its name of it is EFGH. Okay, children, this is our figure. And we have to prove that the inside one small quadrilateral, can you see? Can you see one small quadrilateral?
Yes.
We have to prove that a quadrilateral is cyclic. And what is the speciality of a cyclic quadrilateral? What is the speciality of a cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral should be in a circle. All 4 vertices should be in a circle. And other than that, there is one property that the opposite angles sum should be 180 degree. Clear, children? Opposite angles sum should be 180 degree. If it is 180 degree, that particular quadrilateral is cyclic. Okay? If it is 180 degree, the quadrilateral is cyclic. Okay. So if any quadrilateral, if the opposite angle sum is 180 degree, it is cyclic. So in this figure, the inside that small quadrilateral, we have to prove that it is cyclic. Okay. For that, we have to prove like this. This EFGH is cyclic. That means this inside angle, opposite angle E and G, when you add, can you see? I'm shading it now. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
When you add these 2 angles, okay, we should get 180 degrees. So it is cyclic. Clear? but it is difficult to find the inside angle. So what we'll do is, we will find the opposite, vertically opposite angle, this one. Okay? Did you understand, children? That opposite angle, you know that it is vertically opposite angle. So one question we have done earlier like this, instead of proving the opposite angle, inside angle, we will take the outside one. Since it is both vertically opposite angle, it will be all equal. Clear? Clear? Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is easy for us. It is easy for us. So children, I'll show it. See, we have one minute. Let me write the proof. You also write the proof, only some lines. We have to prove that EFGH is cyclic. EFGH is cyclic. Okay. Now, can you see a triangle there? Lot of triangles, but I'll show one triangle. 1 minute. Let me take some other coloring. ABE. Can you see one triangle there?
Yes.
What is the sum of angles of these three angles? What is the sum of the three angles of a triangle?
180.
180.
180 degrees. So let us start the proof. We have to find angle FEH. Angle FEH. This angle FEH. Okay, FEH. This angle, children, FEH. This angle we have to find, FEH. Okay. FEH, inside, FEH. Inside angle. So what we are going to do is, instead of finding FEH, we are finding angle AEB. This one, AEB. We know that both the angles are equal. Isn't it? AEB. That is equal to 180 minus 180 minus these two yellow color angles. Can you see this angle 1 and angle 2?
Yes.
So that white color angle is equal to 180 minus this angle 1 and angle 2, correct? Correct?
Yes.
Isn't it? If it is 20 and is 30, you will find 180 minus 50, no? Isn't it?
Yes.
So 180 minus angle EAB. Write properly, children. EAB minus angle EAB minus angle EBA. EBA equal to 180 minus EAB and EBA.
And
See,
2.
yes. See, children, this EAB, no, EAB, that is half of angle A, right? This is half of angle A. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me write it as half of angle A minus this EBA. This angle is angle 2 is half of angle B. Is it okay, children? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 180 minus half is common in that. So let me take that half also outside. I'll get angle A plus angle B, correct? Half of angle A plus angle B. That is equation number 1. Angle FEH equal to 180 minus half of angle A plus angle B. See children, you are thinking about why this both minus came, right? Actually it is 180 minus inside bracket EAB plus EBA. EBA. So when you open the bracket, that minus comes both the angles. And here in the step 1, when you take minus 1/2 outside, you will get the same answer, angle A plus angle B. Clear children? FEH. Now similarly, you can take the right side, this angle, other triangle, this triangle. Here another triangle is there. We have to prove both the opposite angles, right? So that opposite angle is the vertical opposite angle of that triangle. Okay. So let me write that. Angle FGH equal to angle FGH. FGH equal to FGH equal to angle CGD. Angle CGD equal to, similarly the other side, same proof, 180 minus angle GCD minus angle GDC equal to 180 minus other side. So it is half of angle C minus half of angle D. So 180 minus half of angle C plus angle D. So angle FGH equal to this one, that is equation number 2. Okay, children, now we have to add that equation number 1 and equation number 2. We have to add both equation number 1 plus equation number 2. So when you add the left side, you will get angle FEH plus angle FGH. FEH plus angle FGH equal to 180 minus half of angle A plus angle B plus 180 minus half of angle C plus angle D. Then when you add 180 plus 180, you will get 360 minus, when you take half outside, you will get angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 minus. Okay, let me scroll the board and I will show you one thing. See children, it is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, right? You know what is the answer of that? When you add all angles of a quadrilateral, what is the answer, children?
360.
360 degree, correct. So quadrilateral ABCD is 4 angles. When you add, you will get 360 degree. So it is half into 360. That is 360 minus 180. 360 minus 180. So we'll get 180 degree. Therefore, EFGH is a cyclic quadrilateral. I will explain it once again. Hello children, I will explain it once again. Did you finish writing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, children, I'll explain it. Please listen to me. Listen, children. There are one quadrilateral inside. Okay, one quadrilateral inside. And that quadrilateral is EFGH. What we will do is, we will find this angle and this angle. And when you add, you should get 180 degree. So there is no other way to find those angles, inside angles. So what we will do is, we will find the outside angle. Since it is vertically opposite angle, it is enough. Both are same. Okay. And this pink color angle, this angle 3 is 180 minus angle 1 plus angle 2, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Are you listening, children? Angle
ma'am.
1 plus angle 2. And this angle 1 and angle 2 are the half of angle A. So 180 minus half of angle A plus half of angle B. Correct? Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, other side, this angle. Suppose it is angle 4. Angle 4 is the 180 minus angle 5 and angle 6. Angle 5 and angle 6. And angle 5 is half of angle C, angle D, and angle 6 is half of angle C. Clear, children? Clear? That is that. So when you add both the equations, you will get 180 minus 360 minus half of A plus B plus C plus D. That is 360. Now I hope you understood it. Lakshmi Nanda, what are you chatting with me? Which language? I could not understand anything. Shall I
Ma'am,
raise the board, children?
okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes?
it came by mistake.
Okay, okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So children, 1 minute. Let me tell you one thing. Today we have our remedial class at 6:30. Okay, children. Sometimes there may be raining, thunder, lightning, and our Burevi cyclone. Okay. So if it is something happened like that, I'll send a message. If it is cancelled. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it raining there at near to your home house?
Yes, ma'am.
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 No,
Raining?
ma'am.
Okay, here there is not that much rain. So I hope I can take the remedial. Okay, children, now next question. Question number 1, 2, 3. Question number 3. in figure A, B, C are 3 points on a circle with center O, such that angle BOC equal to 30 degree and angle AOB equal to 60 degree. If D is a point on the circle, other than arc ABC, find angle ADC. Hello children, are you drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, shall we start then? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I will give you the figure, and the angle which we have to find is this one, angle ADC. Any clue? Have you gone through such kind of figure in any of your theorem? Hmm? Hello, children. Look at the figure again and again. Watch it properly. Have you seen this type of figure anywhere? This angle and this angle, what is the relation between that? Think. Yes. Anything, any theorem you have studied?
Theorem 8.
What is theorem 8? Yes. Yes, Ashik? What is that? Those angles, what is the connection between these two angles?
The angle subtended by an
Yes.
are at the center of the double
Mm.
center in double the angle
Is
subtended.
double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Clear,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
So can you find any relationship between these angles, what I am shading now, and this angle there down?
Hmm.
Yes, Sovel?
45.
Yes, very good. How did you get 45?
60 plus 30, 90. Then
60 plus 30 is 90. And that top angle is half of it. So it is theorem 8. Theorem 8. It is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Okay. Okay, children. So shall we write now? Did you
Yes, ma'am.
understand, children? Did you understand? Did you understand? See, I will explain it once again. See, children, you have already studied that if this angle is 60 degree, the top angle will be 30 degree, right? Half of it. Half of it,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it? But here what happening is that figure is turned like that, and this angle, it is not given properly. This one side it is 60 and other side is 30. So total angle will be 90 degree, and this one is a half of it. So 90 is half is
45.
45. Clear, children? The figure is turned, only that. I hope you understood. This angle is 90 degrees, so it is the half of it, so it is 45 degree. Clear? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So angle ADC is, I will write it, angle ADC is half of angle AOC, and it is half of 60 plus 30, and it is half of 90 and equal to 45. Equal to 45 degree. Only very less. It is AOC. Okay, children, I hope you understood it. Let me take your attendance. So today we have a remedial, don't forget, at 6:30. One minute, children. Wait, let me take the attendance. Shown. So, well, Srihari, you were absent some days. What happened?
I had fever, that's why.
Fever.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay now? Are you
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Yes, children, 1 minute. Let me read the absentee's name. Ananda Krishna is absent. Fagad Sheikh is absent. Jesslyn is absent. Joel is absent. Minha is absent. Okay? So, children, shall I wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so study well and come. Okay, children, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.